Hello students, we are seeing our chapter number 11, that is transportation in animals and plants. So under this chapter we are learning excretory system. So in our today's system we will discuss in detail excretory system. So at first we will discuss what is mean by excretory system. So what is mean by excretory system? Excretory system is that system which excrete waste material out of the body through water, which excrete waste material out of the body through water. And what is that waste material? That is urea, and that system is called excretory system. So this excretory system involve 4 organs. Which are that 4 organs? That 4 organs are 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, 2 urinary bladder and urethra, that is urinary opening. So how that excretory system work, that we will see in detail. So why it is necessary to excrete waste material? Yes, it is very necessary everywhere. We know that removal of wastage is very important. As we have seen in the process of exhalation, we remove carbon dioxide, that is also removal of waste material. Again, we remove undigested food from our body, that is also very important, and that process is called egestion. Yes, first process exhalation, removal of carbon dioxide with another waste. Then second process egestion, that we know. In that egestion, undigested food get removed from our body. And the third one we will see here, excretory system. Through that excretory system, the waste material like urea, which is very toxic substance, toxic chemical, that our body remove from our body, and for that removal excretory system work. So that urea is very toxic substance, toxic chemical, that's why it is very necessary to remove from our body. And for that removal our kidneys work very important role. So that we can say that kidneys play very important role for that excretory system. And if the urea get accumulated inside our body will get many diseases. Yes, we have many diseases. So that urea should not accumulate in our body. So that it is very necessary again, our kidneys should work properly. And here now we will see what is the function of, how is the function of excretory system. So here 2 types of blood vessels are connected to the kidneys. One is artery, another is vein. So artery carry oxygenated blood, that we know, and vein carry deoxygenated blood, that also we know. So the artery carry oxygenated blood from heart to the kidney, and renal vein carry deoxygenated blood from kidney to heart. That renal artery carry oxygenated blood from heart, aorta to renal artery, then from renal artery to kidney. And when the blood reach inside the kidney, that blood should get filtered, and for that filtration process, what happened here? For that filtration process, many filters are present inside the kidney. Many filters are present here. So through that filters, waste material get dissolved inside the water, the waste material get dissolved inside the water and the useful substances with oxygen again get absorbed inside the blood. Yes, at first the blood reach inside the kidney through that renal artery, that is oxygenated blood, but that blood carry useful substances as well, it carry some harmful substances also. So we need only useful substances and we have to remove harmful substances from that blood. So for that filtration process happen inside the kidney, and for that filtration filters are present, and when the blood get filtered, waste material get dissolved inside the water and the useful substances with oxygen get absorbed inside the blood, and the blood again get carried towards the vein, and from vein towards the heart, then lungs, again towards the heart, and so on. That blood will circulate again towards the kidney. But what happened with that waste material? After dissolving the harmful substances like urea here inside the water, that waste material with water get carried towards the urinary bladder through the two ureters. What are the ureters? Ureters are tube-like structure. These are the two tubes. That tubular structures are called ureters. Through that ureters, urine pass towards the urinary bladder, and here in urinary bladder, temporarily the urine is stored. Temporarily it is stored inside that urinary bladder, and after some time it get passed out of the body through the urinary opening, that is urethra. Through the urinary opening, that is urethra. How is that? It is also muscular tube-like opening. And that urinary bladder is also muscular bag. Its capacity is 300 ml to 500 ml to store urine there. But that storage is very temporary. It has to pass that urine out of the body through that urethra. So this was about the functioning of excretory system. Again we will see through that points. Oxygenated blood carried through that renal artery from the heart, and it carry useful as well harmful substances. So when from that renal artery the blood reached towards inside the kidney, and inside the kidney for removal of harmful substances, filtration process happen here. For that filters are present inside the kidney. When the blood get filtered, harmful substances get dissolved in the water, and the useful substances again absorbed inside the blood and carried towards the heart. And then after using oxygen, again the blood get deoxygenated, and that deoxygenated blood, that renal vein carry towards the heart to receive again oxygen. After absorbing oxygen here, what happened? That oxygen is used for the function of kidney. That oxygen used by the cells of kidneys for its function, and then after the blood again will become deoxygenated, and that deoxygenated blood again circulate towards the heart. So that is the important point. Not oxygenated blood directly, it is not possible to carry again through that vein. After using that oxygen, absorb oxygen inside that kidney, then after that absorption of oxygen by the cells, the deoxygenated blood only get carried through that renal vein towards the heart. That is important. Then after filtration, what happened? The waste material get dissolved inside the water. Then that waste water or urine passed through the ureters towards the urinary bladder. Here, through that ureters it passed towards the urinary bladder, and inside that urinary bladder it gets stored temporarily, and from that urinary bladder urine passed out of the body through that urinary opening, that is called urethra. And that is the urea which we excrete out of the body. This is about the excretory system. So similar excretory system is present, somehow different. Excretory system is also present for inside the another animals, like aquatic animals, like terrestrial animals, like lizard, snake, birds. Inside that animals also excretory system is present, but the waste material is different. Again, in aquatic animal, the waste material, that chemical is different. Ammonia directly get dissolved inside the water, and for the terrestrial animal like lizard, snake, birds, what happened in that animal? The waste material is like a semi-solid white substance. The waste material is like a semi-solid white substance because that waste material is depend on the availability of water inside that animal. So, in aquatic animal, ammonia only get removed. In human also, urea get removed. And for that, lizard, snake and bird, like that animals, semi-solid white substance, that is uric acid, get removed out of their bodies. So this type of excretion is happen in different types of animals. So this was about that excretory system. So the diagram is given here for that excretory system in your textbook. It is very nice, colorful diagram is that. You can draw in your notebook very easily, and you should draw that and label that diagram. That labels are very important. Labeling of that diagram is also very important. You can understand better through that flow chart the function of the excretory system. So that write down all that things in your notebook. Again, read that portion from your textbook as well for your better understanding. So I hope you understood that. Thank you.
So students, here we will learn about the excretory system of human being, and through this animated video we will understand better. So this excretory system is included with that 4 organs of that excretory system. These are 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, 1 urinary bladder and urethra, that is the opening. So at first we will discuss about the kidneys. So these 2 kidneys are having beans-like structure. Exactly beans-like structure these are having. And what is about the position? The position of that kidney is below the diaphragm and at the back side. At the back side below the diaphragm. That is the position of the kidney. And it is connected with 2 ureters. Then the ureter is connected with the muscular bag-like structure, that is called urinary bladder, and that urinary bladder is having one tube-like opening, muscular tube-like opening, that is known as urethra. That opening is known as urethra. And through this urethra, our excretory system pass urine out of the body, and through that urine which chemical get passed out of our body? That is urea. And it is very important to excrete urea from our body because it is toxic in nature. It is very harmful for our body. So that our body should excrete out of the body. For that our excretory system work. And again that kidneys are connected to two blood vessels. These are renal artery and renal vein. So that renal artery is the branch of aorta. It carries oxygenated blood from heart towards the kidney, and the next is renal vein, which carry deoxygenated blood from kidney to heart. Yes. So we will see again the working of the excretory system. So what happened? The oxygenated blood reach inside the kidney, and when the oxygenated blood carried through renal artery towards the or inside the kidney, in that blood useful things as well harmful things are present. So our body only need useful things. Harmful things our body will remove from it. So that what will happen, that waste material or harmful substances or harmful compound get removed through the filtration process, and that filtration process happened inside the kidneys. And for that filtration process there are many filters are present inside the kidney. Through that filters our blood get filtered, and through the filtration process harmful substances get removed from the blood, and that harmful substances dissolve in the water. Yes, that harmful substances dissolve in the water, and the water with that waste material, that is urea, when dissolved in water, urine is formed, and that urine get passed towards the urinary bladder, which is the storage of that urine. And the capacity of that urinary bladder is 300 ml to 500 ml. Means it can temporarily store the urine. It is only temporary storage. So after storage for some time, that urine will pass out of the urethra from our body. In this way the urea and the harmful substances, the waste material, get excreted through water, through liquid out of the body. So that work is performed by excretory system. It is very important. Our kidney, function of kidney is very important. So that functioning of kidney is essential for each and every animal as well. Through that excretory system harmful waste material get excreted out of the body. And again when the oxygenated blood reach in the kidney, waste material get passed out through the urine out of the body, and again the useful substances like oxygen and another nutrients get absorbed inside the blood again, and that oxygen is used by the cells of kidney. And when the cells of kidney use that oxygen, again the blood will become deoxygenated, and that deoxygenated blood again get carried out towards the renal vein, and through that renal vein it get carried out, sorry, not passed out, it get carried out towards the heart. So deoxygenated blood from the kidney get carried out towards the heart through the renal vein. So this is about the excretory system, and watch that very carefully. So here we can see very clearly bean shaped kidneys. Yes. Here inside the kidneys many filters are present, we can see very clearly. Here these are two kidneys, blood is flowing through that. Here inside the kidney many filters are present, and through that filters blood get filtrate, means the waste material gets separated from the useful material, useful things. Waste material or harmful substances get filtered and get separated from the blood, and the useful substances get absorbed again inside the blood. Again watch how the filtration process happen. So here like that blood get filtered and the waste material get dissolved inside the water, and the urine is formed inside the kidney. Urine is formed here, and that urine get passed through the ureters towards the urinary bladder. From the urinary bladder through urethra it get passed out of the body. This is the formation of urine after filtration. Again the useful things get absorbed inside the blood, and the blood will become again oxygenated, and that oxygen, the cells of kidney use that oxygen for their function, and then again the blood will become deoxygenated. That deoxygenated blood again will flow through the renal vein towards the heart. See here. See, the urine is passing towards the urinary bladder through the ureter. Now that urine is accumulated inside the urinary bladder. See, it is accumulating inside the urinary bladder. After some time it will get passed out through the urethra. See, that person is going for passing the urine. Okay. So this is about excretory system of human being. Kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Yes. Draw this diagram in your notebook as well.